Hello everybody, bonjour tout le monde. Today's Sunday for me. Hello everybody, bonjour tout le monde. Happy Sunday. It's almost 6 p.m. The sun is going down. It's not that hot outside anymore. So I have that's my 2-year-old. I have another section of my garden that I haven't showed you, and it's taking so long because obviously, but I'm gonna go do it now because things are growing and I kind of want to show you guys the space. Okay, so we're gonna go do a little garden tour of the last remaining space where I plant my stuff, and then potentially do a potato harvest. The reason why I want to do it today is because they are announcing rain like the entire next week except for tomorrow. So I want to at least get some potatoes out so they don't go bad or start sprouting all over again. So we're gonna go do that. This space is not big, you go quick. And then I have some I have some seed that I want to put in ground as well. But as you can hear from my breathing, I'm already tired, I'm exhausted. So we're gonna do the tour. I'm gonna film the tour first and tap into whatever energy I have left to harvest the potatoes. I mean, it'll be easier, it'll be quicker if I don't film, but since I have to film, things always take a little bit longer. So tap into that and then harvest. I'll show you the potatoes, harvest them, and then after that I'll be done. And I want to also do like a full-on garden tour of the front yard because it's been 2 weeks now almost that I showed it to you, and things are like changing so much. So let's just get started. I'm gonna go grab my tripod. I don't know where I put it, and then go outside and do what we do best. So yeah, before we go on, hi everybody, my name is Dawn. I forgot to introduce myself. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I am so glad to have you all here, and I hope that you learned something from this. And I hope this inspires you to also grow something. It doesn't have to be 2, 3, 4, 5 stuff. It could be one thing, one flower, one veggie in a pot, in ground, and so on and so forth. So I'm a mama to 4. 3 are out and 1 is coming in September. I'm a business owner, I'm a wife, I'm a child of God above all and everything. So happy to have you here. So let's get into the video because my kids are going crazy. Okay, so we are outside now. This is the back. I'm just gonna remove it from the tripod. This is how the back looks like. So let's just call this section 1 and then call this section 2 and then call that section 3 because that's the last section. So they're looking at the raspberry bush. We're gonna get there soon. So it's still right over here. I am sorry for the grass, guys. My husband is supposed to come and take over this soon, so until then I'm just gonna have to deal with it. I hate it, but yeah. Okay, so this section I was trying to build a rock section here, make this bigger and then bring it all the way there, and then on the side of the house. I'll show you in a second. But listen, pregnancy got to me. I marked it. Oh, it's so long you can't see, but I marked where I wanted, how big I wanted it, but then I never went on. Anyways, planted some zinnias here. I have this bush. I've had this for like, this is the 4th season, but it's first season here. I moved it from the front, brought it here at the back because I needed the space in front. Oh wait, look what my son just cried. He grabbed a raspberry. Mange-le.
Il faut les laver.
Okay, vas-y. So anyway, so I put it here. I think it's doing really well. And then over there, it's what I call my zucchini section. Usually I have more zucchinis than that, but I didn't have great germination this time around. So this is what I have. I have in that bag, I'm so scared to go in here just because I don't know what's inside. I mean, it's not that long. I'm just being a chicken. So I put landscape fabric. You can see it's right there. Down to just keep the weeds down because it was too much. And then I put radish and rutabaga in here. It didn't do so well. It germinated after a long time. Then it went to seed. So I'm gonna remove that, and I'm gonna put Swiss chard in that entire bag. I was gonna do it today, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to since I'm tired. So that's what's gonna happen. And I have a zucchini here. This is I have a label. This is just a dark green zucchini, just like a regular zucchini from the store. And so far we've had male flowers, but I see that we're going to be having female flowers soon. Started from seed, transplanted. All of these started from seed. And then this one here is a gray zucchini, and I see that we have a female there. I hope it got germinated. I want zucchinis. I want zucchinis, guys. And then here, I forgot what this is. It says stripped zucchini. I'm not sure. I don't know. And then this one here is a round zucchini. Still no. Oh, there's a little one right there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, right there. So hopefully it got germinated. That's this rose. I've had it for 4 years. It's so cute. I got it from Walmart. It used to be in front as well. Moved it here. I think it loves it here. It gets shades in the morning and afternoon light. Looks gorgeous. I have plans for this space. I want to remove this gorgeous plant. I love it. I want to move it from here to there so it gets more shade. And then this space here, I want to put a blueberry bush. So that's the plan I have for next year, and we'll see. Okay, so moving on to the second section. So we just finished there. So on this section here, I have a climbing rose that I actually need to come and prune because it's given us already its first blooms, as you can see. So I'm gonna come in and prune this because it's getting ready to send in the second see, it's getting ready to send the second flush. But oh my god, look at these insects. They're everywhere. Like seriously, they always on my roses like crazy. This is the second year for this rose. I didn't do it correctly in terms of like, you know, making it climb. So hopefully by next year I'll fix it, but it looks really good when it's in bloom. And then I planted some zinnias here from seeds. Look how it's suffering from the insect, but it's about to bloom and there are weeds. And yeah, okay, if I tell you that I chop this plant all the way to the ground in the spring, you won't believe me because of how big it's gotten. But they send out like these really cute flower. Everybody knows what this plant is, so it's not new. It's not, I don't think it's like special in that sense of special, but it's beautiful. Hi. Okay, so after that we have my raspberry bush. That's crazy. I'm so scared to go there because look at that. And the raspberries, if you plant raspberries, just know that they go crazy and they go everywhere. They are literally trying to grow on the grass, so I had to like pull them, and there's still some more in there, but they're crazy. So I had at the beginning when I planted these, I have four types. So I have like the red raspberry, and then I have the dark red. So like it gets like almost black, but like not black, not like a blackberry, but it get like a deep dark raspberry right here. And then I had another type of red, and then I have the golden yellow, which is this plant here. So as you can see, we've got some going on here, plus the insect. Ugh. I want to remove it, otherwise the insects are just going to eat it. So this is the gold one. They're so good. They're so juicy. They are our favorite. But the plants never produced enough. We're fighting with the insect. Like we're sharing, which is crazy. It's annoying. And it's been raining as well, so it makes it hard. Look at this, guys. Sorry. Look. Nasty. So it's been really hard to like come and harvest when they're ready because of all the rain, and then so we're losing. But there are some. I'm gonna remove it and give it to the kids, and we'll see. Let me go in there and then get the rest, because I can see that there are some in there that needs to be harvested. Okay, so this is how much I was able to get. I removed some that were not that gold because like I said, if we don't eat it, the insect will get to it, so I'd rather we eat it. So we're gonna devour this in like a second. So happy. Anyways, let's continue the tour. Okay, so the red ones are just starting to turn. As you can see, I think I saw another one right here. It's not ready yet, but you can see that the plant is loaded. Look at these one here. So you're gonna be getting some raspberries soon. It's so exciting. We love raspberry. It's our favorite fruit, minus my husband. He doesn't really like raspberries. As you can see, it's full. Anyways, so that's this section. And then so I have plans for this section. I know it's full of weeds right now. Again, I apologize, but I want to put garden fabric or landscape fabric down this entire section, from that sunflower all the way to the raspberry bush. I'm gonna put landscape fabric, and then I'm gonna fill it with rocks, river rocks. So this space, we won't need to worry about cutting the grass here. I was gonna do that, but then it was raining and it got super hot, and you know, progression, my pregnancy also progressed and I got tired. But as soon as my husband cut the grass this week, once that's done, I'm gonna try my best. If not, ask for my husband, we're gonna come down here and then just do that, because I want to free this space here. Anyway, and as it just flew by my ear, scared me. And then I put 2 sunflowers here so it can just go crazy, you know, grow big and be sunflowery and be gorgeous. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in between the sunflower. I'm going to transplant a hollyhock here. I have a hollyhock that I put somewhere. I think it's not doing that well. I want to transfer it here. And hollyhocks, they self-seed themselves, so eventually it's going to fill this space. But I love sunflowers, so that's gonna happen. Anyways, that's this section. That's all that we did, all that. So the last section at the back is this. Look how, yeah. Anyways, so the section starts over there and all the way here. So here, this is my grow bag, and this is where I have my potatoes. This is grow bag number 1. Oh my gosh, the eggs are still there. I don't think they're gonna ever, what do you say? I don't know if they were fertilized or not, because they've been here for a long time. I mean, I don't know how long it is supposed to take before the babies come, but they're still there. Anyways, weird. Potato bags, number 1. I think this is red potato. And in this bag here, I have, what is this? Buttercup squash, and it's growing. Look at it, it's going all the way there. But I have two. The second one is right here. It's sending flower buds, but no fruit yet. And I don't want it to bug my other stuff, but I'll leave it alone. In this bag here, I have my chamomile. This one came back from 2 seasons ago, so it just comes back, and then I just threw some zinnia seeds in there and stuff. Look at this, it's gorgeous. That's a beautiful zinnia. I have to come and harvest my chamomile because I'm making my own chamomile tea. Okay, second bag. This is Yukon potatoes. It's almost ready. As you can see, it's just spreading. I think it's telling me that it's almost ready in there. And this is kalulu. It's not doing so great. It's been really hot, so I think that's what's happening there. But it's coming. And this bag here has a, what is that? This is a sugar pie pumpkin. It sends flowers but no fruit. Oh, maybe that if you got fertilized. So maybe we get one. And then okay, mama, I got oh look, maybe we keep an eye out. I got okra from the garden center, but look how small it is. It's tiny, but there's one here. So my thing is, I don't know when to harvest okra, but there's one here. I'm thinking this is ready, right? But look how small the plant is. Isn't that crazy? I don't know. This is an amaranth. I'm letting go to seed so I can grab the seed because I'm out of seed. And then in this bag here we have, what is this? In this bag, in this pot we have cantaloupe, Minnesota. Bravo, mama. And it's just now starting to go and give us flower. And in this bag here we have kalulu that I need to also come and harvest with wheat. Yeah, I'm gonna harvest them, if not tomorrow, the day after. Ooh, so we have that. And if I go back to where we started, remember that big pot, sorry the angle, the big pot of potato. So this is where we started. I have a small one that's also the same type. I had some seed left, I put it in a smaller pot. This is Yukon. This is what I'm gonna harvest. Put it in a small pot. And along the fence all the way there, I planted sunflowers. That's what you see. And I have some hollyhocks in between. You can't see it because of all the grass. If I tell you that I weeded last week, you won't believe me. But you can see them here. I started them from seed indoor hollyhocks. I'm really happy. There's another one here. I think there's about like 8. And the sunflowers, there's a lot of sunflowers. I have 1, if I count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is already ginormous. 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 sunflowers. That's a lot, but I'm really happy. There we go. So I was trying to do like my small fruit forest here. So this is another thing that I also want to do. The same thing that I want to do at the end over there, I want to do it here. I'm going to put landscape fabric from this fence line to the fence over there, and then put river rocks here, so I don't have to worry about weeding this space since it's part of my garden. So I've already got the rocks. They are right there. I got the rocks already. I just need to like cut some of this because it's too much, but that's not what I want to show you. I want to show you I planted a watermelon here. This is a sugar baby. It's not looking so great, but this is the farthest I've ever grown a watermelon. So yeah, it's a progression. And then this is a dwarf cherry plant. I got it from the garden center. Also put it down here. Now I saw somebody online saying that cherry plants, they need a second to get fertilized to get fruit. I didn't know that. So now I have to look for another cherry plant, and then I have to look for a space to put it because I don't have room to put a plant. It's a dwarf, so we're good. Just give me a second, please. Okay, so, and then I have another melon here. This is a crimson sweet melon. Oh, it's vining over there. Here it is. Oh, here it is. Vine this way, vine this way. Again, this is the farthest that I've ever grown a melon, so I don't know if it's gonna produce anything, but I'm just happy that I have it. And then I got more hollyhocks there. I have a rudbeckia right there, and more sunflowers. We're gonna mow the lawn, guys. We are. Anyways, so this is the back, the last section. Let's move on. I'm tired. Well, this section is pretty much what it is. I was trying to make a little sitting area, like where I just put a chair here. And this is my lilac. I just want it to go as big as possible. I don't want it to be a tree. I want to keep it in a bush form. But for now, I'm just leaving it like this. So I made a little like a rock bed here. But I want to make it a little bit bigger and connect it to that one. And bring it all the way on the side of the house. So on the side here, I planted a sunflower here. And then all this is weeds. Accidentally somebody chopped off my sunflower. I want to cry, but yeah. So these two have been chopped. I don't know if they're gonna continue to grow or they finished completely, but I was thinking of putting my blueberry bush here. I have another blueberry bush that is still in pot. I'm thinking I'm gonna put it here. I'm only defensive because a lot of birds hang out here. I don't want them to eat all of it, but I also feel like it's a good spot. Blueberry bush. And I've got a ginormous onions here. So it went to seed, and I'm just letting the seeds drop because I want to clean this space as well. I want to put river rocks all here, so if I have onions growing here, it's not bad. It's good. Let the onions come. Have another started flower. Bad weeds. This is a rudbeckia. It's looking good. This is a grass plant, and then I have a hollyhocks right there. So see, I started mapping up the idea. Once I put the river rocks, I'm gonna put a little fence like this, so we just keep it clean and neat. That's it. That's the last remaining section of the garden that I hadn't shown you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the quick potato harvest, because although it's 6 o'clock, it's hot out here. Hot. I can't stand it. So I'm gonna speed this part, and you see two types of potatoes, Yukon and red. So, and I'm gonna harvest from the small pots, not the big ones. And we're gonna eat it tomorrow if there's anything. So I kind of went crazy. The pots are not big. I don't know what the dimension are. It's not big, but I went crazy, and then I put like 4 to 5 potato seeds in the pot, where for the pot this size I would have put 2, maximum 3, not 5. But I had the seeds. I didn't want to throw them out. I didn't want them to go bad, so I was like, why not? Let's see what it gives us, if it, you know, if anything. But let's go ahead and do that. harvest completed. Bummer, not my best harvest, but like I explained, I planted a lot of seed potatoes. I think I planted 4 in each pot. You saw the size of the pot. So now I don't think I harvested too early, maybe, but they started turning yellow, and I thought it was because it was ready. The package said that they were gonna take 10 weeks to be ready. So I think it just got too hot and the leaves started turning yellow, and then I thought, oh, they are ready. So I went ahead and then harvested both the small pot, and then I left the big ones. I'm gonna leave the big ones until the plant completely dies off before I go and harvest it. But for now, we've got enough for lunch tomorrow. Yeah, we've got enough for lunch tomorrow for us to enjoy. And I feel like if I had put like 3 seeds, potatoes, and then waited a little bit longer, we would have had decent sized potatoes. But I'm not mad at this. A harvest is a harvest. And these would be really good with butter and pepper on it, like after I boil them. So yummy. Potato harvest for the win. Oh my gosh, I look like I've been outside for like hours, but it was probably just maybe an hour and a half. But thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, you are amazing. You're the best. Thank you for your support. And if you have any questions, if you have any tips, tricks, suggestions, anything like that, please leave it below. I'm so tired. I just want to sit. I don't know why I'm not sitting down, but anyways, so I showed you everything. I showed you my little harvest, and now I'm just gonna let the AC cool me down, drink a glass of cold water, sit down and start thinking about the next day, because the kids are getting ready. They're gonna eat and then they're gonna go to bed. It's gonna be me time. So tomorrow is Monday. It's gonna be back to business mode, working and stuff like that, and I have appointment this week, so yeah, fun. It's gonna be a really busy week. That being said, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And oh, talking about subscribing, thank you so much to everybody who's been subscribing. Thank you so much to everybody who's been liking my videos, and welcome to the new subs. This is our tribe. It's called Balunda, which is in Chiluba. It means friends. So when I say I love Balunda, I say I love friends. So on that, I bless you. I bless your day. I bless your week. I bless your month of July. And remember, Jesus loves you so much. So let him fill that void in you. And my kids are going crazy, so I'm gonna say bye.